Hey guys, what's up? V here. So today we are going to be unboxing a package from LG that I received. Give a shout out to LG for sending this out. Again, my channel is so small. They didn't have to do this, but I am going to get the opportunity to unbox this, and I will be right back to let you know what it is. Right now, please give a thumbs up, hit the like, comment, subscribe button. Be right back. All right, guys, so again, I am back, and boy, I'm so happy that I just don't know what to say. Give a big shout out to LG for sending this out. Let's get it open. So this is the LG Velvet. Busted open here, nice little box. Oh wow, look at that. Let me spin this up here so you can see it. Nice. Little slick logo there. Pretty nice, LG. All right. Get that down, and got some booklets here. Design. There you go. Put these to the side right now. Man, I'm just so happy they sent this out. This is the at&t version, by the way. I never have had an LG device, so I'm very happy and excited to try this out. Little booklet here. I will get to reading this later. It looks like a pretty informative book here. I'm sure I will need it, because I'm used to having the Samsung devices. Let's pull this out here, open up the rest of it. Ah, come on. It's like Christmas. All right. What we got here? So what is this? This is the, oh, okay. This is the phone soap. So this will sanitize your device. Now we'll be breaking this down a little bit later in my review of the device. Right now I'm just giving my first impressions of everything there. That's nice though. Looks like we have the dual screen there. Case. What else we got in here? Let me move this big box out of the way. Set this over here. So nice of them to send this out. Again, this is my first LG device that I'm going to be trying out. Got your USB Type-C charge cable. Wow, yeah, so that's all connected. I'm really not used to that. It's the LG way, I guess, huh? And let's pop this open. This is the device. All right. What do we got in the box? Just with the phone, put that to the side for now. It can wait. Distracted driving. What do we have? There's something in this box. Okay, that's just for the phone. Bust this open here. More booklets here. Looks like I'm gonna have some reading on my hands. Oh, okay, so this one's for the phone soap. There, the sanitizer. And here is a charging brick. Oh, that's nice. It's pretty cool. And then we have the USB Type-C charge cable. What else do we have in here? I think that's about it. SIM ejection tool there. It's an interesting one. Put that to the side. Let's take a look at the phone. Let's look at the color. All right. Oh, wow. It's nice. Got the little rainbow action going on. Pull that off. Oh, wow. This is so thin. This is nice. Very nice. Pull all these off. Thank you so much, LG. This is very nice. Check that out. Got your raindrop camera there. Got 3 cameras. Got your sensor there. So I'm going to be doing more of a deep dive in my review. I'll actually do a first impression video, like a complete first impression video. Right now, I just wanted to get it unboxed and take a look at it, and it's looking really nice. So we got buttons there. We got buttons all over the place on here. Again, I'm not used to this as far as like LG. Let's see. Got your SIM tray, of course. Looks like microphone there. Volume up and down rocker, power button. USB Type-C. Look at that. We got a headphone jack. Take note, Samsung. You know, I never thought I'd missed the headphone jack. And now that we haven't had it for years now in the Samsungs, I really miss it. So LG, props on that. There we go. Wow, that's a pretty phone. It's really nice. You know what? Let's turn it on for a second. Let's see if we got any power out of the box. Oh yeah, LG Velvet. Wow, that's very nice. Right there. You know, let's open up this. I just can't wait. I mean, I'm gonna just get this open. Give me a second here. We're gonna unbox this. What I'm thinking is the case here. So I'm gonna get this set up and I will be right back on this. But let me get this open first here. I don't have a knife with me. I'm gonna just kind of be messy and rip this open. Oh, you don't want to come open. There we go. All right. Looks like this is the same color as the phone. Well, similar color. All right. Oh, wow. This is nice. It's lightweight. Let's pull this off here. Oh, you got the same rocker buttons there. Power button. Looks like it has all the buttons. Inside here. Oh, there's a little magnet. It's like an extension for the charge cable. Oh yeah, you pop it on right there. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen that before. Look at that. Check that connection out. It kind of connects right there and you plug your charger right in there. It's pretty ingenious. Little quick start guide. Let's pull that off. Before we get it turned on, let me see if there's I gotta try this. I have to try it. Let's see. We can do it without setting anything up. Oh, there we go. You know what? I think we have to have it set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I'm gonna come back and try this on, see if we can get that to come on. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and lead out of the video. I'm gonna do a full review on this. I'll do another first impression video as well before I do the review. Give me a second, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I am back now. And I got it all set up. Check that out. That is very cool. I'll check that out. The wallpaper moves with the LG's trying to do some things over there. So we got this here. Hold on a second. Bring that back in. So you got your apps over here. Looks like you can be running 2 different things at one time here. This is so cool. So you pop up YouTube over here. You can check out your news and everything on the other side. Power button again. Volume up and down rocker over here. That's not the power button. Hold on. Oh, it's the assistant button. Okay, I got it. Close it up. LG dual screen. This again, shout out to LG for sending this out to me. I really do appreciate it. I will have a first impression video out on this soon. I just wanted to check out the screen. Didn't mean for the video to run this long. I do apologize. I'll come back with a review, or I'm sorry, a first impression of this, and I'll try out that phone soap also and see how that works. For now, this is B. I'm out.